It's one of many things that are appealing about this lifestyle. I don't want to buy into that system that I know is corrupt, I know is failing, and is ruining the lives of so many people. So I'm going to take my time, I'm going to slow down, not work as much, and we're going to enjoy as much as we can of each other, of people we meet, of amazing views, and do more of what I believe humanity was supposed to do. Respect each other, respect the things around us, pick up the trash, keep our world clean, keep our minds clean, and live our lives.
Like, awesome drug.
Waking up at one of our favorite destinations. And we are about 3 hours from Phoenix, which really means we're about 4. And when we get there, oh my gosh, tiny living. Anyway, when we get there, we are going to meet up with a mechanic who's going to do a once-over on the truck. Everything's been running wonderful, but we really trust this guy. Hopefully it'll be a quick trip through Phoenix because there won't be anything wrong with the truck. Fingers crossed. This does not look legal. We knew that this time would come. It is time to empty the compost toilet. Maybe it wasn't put together yet?
If this came bolted, the top is bolted down.
Maybe it didn't.
That's why I wanted a shovel.
Shovel would be so crazy.
Would you have a better idea?
We're just not really sure what we're doing. Yeah. We should tip the whole thing upside down.
But I'm fine with tipping the whole thing upside down, but that means I have to take it apart.
Why can't we just, because of the whole thing?
And you pick it
what
up.
What if I, like, hold?
Simple. I know it's gonna fuck up.
We figured nighttime would be the best time to take care of a situation like this in case anything goes wrong.
It smells like that little bit of coffee I put in it like 3 weeks ago.
Really?
That's it.
Does it look gross?
Oh, it looks like dirt.
Amazing.
Musty coffee. You want to dump this?
Bye, Pooh.
Hey, you want to put in the new stuff?
Me?
On the seat.
You want me to do it?
The new stuff?
Yeah.
It's literally just that bag right there.
I know, but it's toilet stuff.
Oh my gosh, you wanted this tank.
The poop situation is supposed to be Trevor's. But here I am helping and documenting my efforts so that people know I contribute. What do I do? Just put the whole bag in there? Whoa.
Oh damn, I took my clothes off.
Mission accomplished. Look, we've officially determined that emptying the compost part of the compost toilet far less disgusting than emptying the pee part of the compost toilet.
Actually,
Doctor, do you concur?
Actually, we've officially established that I still do the poop stuff.
I just put the dirt in. I recorded it.
Is it dirt?
This traffic has cost us an additional 2 hours. we've just been sitting here. We went, what, 0.2 in 45 minutes?
If that.
So overall, for the last 2 hours, we've maybe gone half a mile. You think? Is that about right? Absolutely insane. Must be a really bad accident. Trevor and I decided to stay off social media the rest of the day and kind of take a break after passing the accident and seeing the bodies in the street. It was just kind of like a weird, since it's different from seeing it on TV, it was like weird to be sitting in traffic for so long and then see like what was going on. Ended up staying in traffic for about 4 hours and went 1 mile. The accident actually happened at 9 a.m. that morning, and we were there late afternoon around like 4 o'clock. And they had just opened things up at 4 o'clock. A weird day, kind of sobering the rest of the day, so.
What's up, stranger? Hi, people.
So we're stopping to have our good friend Tim, who fixed our last build when we were stranded out here in Arizona. That's how we met Tim and Kendra, and they're amazing mechanics, and they fixed us right up. So as soon as we got this guy, Trevor was like, we gotta go see Tim so we can do a once over on the truck. So here we are.
Take another maybe. It's great seeing you guys too, man.
Okay, we had to go grocery shopping, but there's this rad car show. Even though I'm not really like a car person, I kind of don't understand the appeal. But anyway, we're gonna check it out. Okay, I don't mean this offensively, truly. It's just not my thing. I don't understand car people and car shows. Everyone is just sitting around their cars in a parking lot doing nothing. They're not tailgating, they're not even drinking, they're not like cooking out, they're not playing no cornhole, like they're just sitting in front of their cars in a parking lot. Like everyone just sits here and just waits for people to come over and compliment their car.
That is the idea.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What's your name?
Lewis.
Lily.
Lewis. Louie.
Louie.
Yeah.
Okay. This male. Yeah. All right.
Oh, so many. So it's snowing here. Good times. Literally just packed away all of our winter stuff. Like jackets and like boots and stuff. Like it's snowing so much. We pulled off into a Cracker Barrel and I am unwell. This low key explains our fight yesterday.
Thank you, Rockin' Scribes. Big mistake.
There's a lot of people learning stuff about people based on stuff that they've heard in the past.
Thank you so much. Bless Crackle Barrel for their apple butter and biscuits. It's my girl time, and I think Trevor went in to get pancakes without me. Are you here?
What?
Did you abandon me for pancakes?
No, your pancakes will be ready in like 10 minutes.
My pancakes are gonna be ready?
Yeah, you're on your girl time, so I got you chocolate pancakes.
Oh, babe.
I don't even eat pancakes. I got bacon.
You're the best. Okay, I'm not proud of Cracker Barrel for dinner and breakfast, but here we are.
Gotta find somewhere else to go.
That's annoying. The wildfires, or?
I mean, that's the only thing I can figure out. Tourist guy, huh? You're the tourist guide, huh?
Yeah.
So, obviously, I mean, I've been watching the tunnel fire, and I thought where I was gonna go would be all right, but where can we go to just camp for a couple nights?
Or southeast,
Okay.
pretty good area. You can go up there and see what's open. All right, sorry, man.
No worries, man. You guys are keeping people safe. I get it. Cheers.
Yeah.
Does anybody know who owns that little mountain right there? I just want to go on top of that. Can we just do that? Or that mountain right there. I'll climb on top of that mountain.
Yeah. Camping and campfires prohibited. Motorized travel to off-road prohibited. This might be a better to ask for forgiveness than permission situations.
Following us.
Yeah. The one, the road that we were just on is closed down, so I feel like the law enforcement's a bigger fish to fry than yelling at us not to camp.
I get what you said, because the river basin's on fire and there's fish.
You picked right up on that hidden joke that was in there. You're so clever. Kicked out of my seat,
Queen bee herself.
per usual. Okay.
Look at the mountains.
Flagstaff is experiencing some pretty heavy-duty wildfires, so finding parking was harder than we thought it would be. So we sort of followed this remote dirt road down a ways, and we're hoping that this is remote enough that no one will bother us. We have to be in Flagstaff to meet with a solar panel company on Monday, so we have to be here. So fingers crossed that, you know, this is cool. Making Trevor clean the solar panels during escape. Around. What do you think that means? It looked like a Jehovah's Witness.
Also looked like a ranger. Like a forest ranger.
I mean, that was a plot twist. I did not think we were going to see anybody.
Just the way he looked was...
Jehovah's Witness.
We're on a closed road. We need to get out of here.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang it. I can't say it's illegal, but I'm also not confident that it is legal.
Campfires.
We won't do none of that.
Well, we're just in our truck.
Yeah, we're not camping. I don't
And
see
it
no.
said no off-road use. We're still on the road.
I don't see no tent. We're still on the road. Actually, the real crisis, other than my lips being chapped within an inch of their lives, is I just ran out of deodorant. What? God dang it. I know I'm gonna close everything up in the middle.
Where we're going, we don't need roads. So bad.
It's go time. Alpha Bravo Charlie, Niner Niner, this is Eagle Scout. Come in, chickadee. Over.
I hate you so much right now.
In a little less than 2 weeks, we've been at the beach, the desert, and now we're in the mountains. It's freaking cold. Okay, we are freezing our butts off in our own house because the house warms up so quickly that Lewis keeps getting overheated. And so we have to turn the AC on for Lewis. And it's freezing outside. It's freezing in here. And the AC is just blasting on us. cold it is. Look at it.
You see it?
It's so cold.
All right, so we're in Flagstaff here to visit Northern Arizona Wind and Solar so that they can help us out. We have our smart solar charge controller is overheating constantly. We also have a loose fan in our inverter, and they sold us all of that. So hopefully they'll get back to us very soon so we can have that taken care of.
Okay, I want to post this video of Lewis from today, but it looks really insensitive. It looks like we're being insensitive, but you know that I love my dog no matter what. I'm crazy about him, but this is for your viewing pleasure.
You're not even aware you're such a funny pair.
Like, he's fine. He's right there. He's laughing. He's asleep. He's fine.
Just like I've always thought, we gotta kind of take it apart. Okay, well, that's what it is. You guys, well, that right there is what it was.
What is it?
I don't know.
Well, how do you know that's what it was?
Look at that wire.
What am I looking at?
That wire's been chewed up by the fan.
Oh, that's what it was. Makes perfect sense.
You're the worst.
This is yours. The problem is we're close to theirs, so...
Man, I appreciate it very much.
No problem.
Thank
Let
you.
us know if you need anything.
Will do.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And it turns out our solar is more efficient. It's bigger than we thought it was, which is awesome. And I'm gonna put in a whole cooling system just for that, which before I was concerned the cooling system would drain our batteries, and it turns out it won't. So that's great. Would you mind moving? Can I drive us somewhere? My seat. Lewis, put her off. Pee bucket outside the driver's side door and pour it out on the grass right there.
Got it.
While I'm cleaning up.
Solar panels are even cooler than we thought. This is great. We're stopping at a KOA really quick to fill up the water tank. This is a KOA that we stayed at 3 years ago to the week, which is amazing. But we don't have to stay at KOAs anymore since we're completely self-sufficient in this rig. But anyway, we're gonna pay a couple bucks to fill up the water tank, and then we're gonna go to swimming hole for the next 2 days, and then we're gonna head to Utah.
Doing pretty good. We don't need any hookups. I don't need anything. Just a nice quiet spot. Perfect.
Nothing says commercialized like a Starbucks at the Grand
Oh
Canyon.
my gosh, that's so true. Alright, hang on a second.
There's nothing this way.
Usually so.
Okay.